Namaskar everyone. Now it's a time to start with the new topic, that is treatment of goodwill. We already discussed the 5 cases at the time of retirement of partner related to gaining ratio and new ratio. Now today I will be discussing the treatment of goodwill. As we already know that at the time of admission, new partner bring his share of goodwill, which is distributed in sacrificing ratio. But at the time of retirement, the retiring partner will take back his share of goodwill from the continuing partner in gaining ratio. So, the retiring or deceased partner is entitled to his share of goodwill at the time of retirement because the goodwill has earned by the firm with the effect of existing partners. Now there are 4 steps in the treatment of goodwill. Calculate the goodwill of entire firm as per the partners agreement including retiring partner. This will be applicable if the goodwill of the firm is not given in the question. Generally it is given in the question the goodwill of the firm. Now second, ascertain of retiring partner share of goodwill. Out of the firm goodwill, you have to find out the goodwill of retiring partner by multiplying the firm goodwill into retiring partner share. Then third one is calculation of gaining ratio as per the discussed 5 cases. And fourth one is that is accounting treatment. That is we have to pass the journal entry. And what will be the journal entry at the time of retirement of partners regarding goodwill? Entry is gaining partner capital account debit to retiring partner capital account. So, whosoever is gaining after the retiring of retiring partner, that gaining partner will be debited with the gaining ratio and the goodwill will be given to the retiring partner. So, gaining partner will be debited and retiring partner will be credited. Retiring partner will get his share of goodwill on retirement from continuing partner in gaining ratio. So the most important thing that the retiring partner will get his share of goodwill and that goodwill will be distributed in gaining ratio. No other ratio will be utilized in this case, only the gaining ratio. Now take one example. PQR are equal partner in the firm, that is 1:1:1. R retire and the goodwill of the firm is valued at 360. So firm goodwill is already given 3,60,000. No goodwill account appear as yet in the books of the firm. There is no old goodwill. P and Q agree to share the future profit in the ratio of 3:2. So this is the case in which old and new ratio both are given. So first of all you have to calculate the gaining ratio. Let's move to the next slide. Here is the calculation of gaining ratio, that is new ratio minus old ratio. So P gain will be new ratio minus old ratio, that is 3/5 is the old ratio of P and the new ratio of P is 3/5 and the old ratio is 1/3. Same in case of Q, the new ratio is 2/5 and old ratio is 1/3. So by applying the formula of new minus old ratio, you will get the gaining ratio, and gaining ratio is 4:1, that is 4/15 and 1/15 after taking the LCM. Now come to the answer part. Now first of all you have to calculate the goodwill of retiring partner. I told you in the previous slide that out of firm goodwill you have to calculate the goodwill of the retiring partner. So firm goodwill is 3,60,000 and the retiring partner share is R is 1/3. So you have to calculate 1/3 of 3,60,000. So it comes to 1,20,000. So our share of goodwill is 1,20,000, which he will take from P and Q in gaining ratio. And gaining ratio is 4:1. So distribute 1,20,000 into 4/5 and 1,20,000 into 1/5. So P will give 96,000 and Q will give 24,000 and R will get 1,20,000. 1000. So this is the treatment of goodwill. I am revising one again here, that at the time of retirement, retiring partner will get his share of goodwill from the continuing partner, and the continuing partner will give the share of goodwill to retiring partner in the gaining ratio. And how to calculate gaining ratio, that is depend upon the case which we already discussed in the previous two videos of this chapter. And if suppose old goodwill is already appeared in the books, then it will be distributed in old partners in old ratio, that we already discussed at the time of admission. Generally old goodwill is given on the asset side of the balance sheet. So if old goodwill is given on the asset side of the balance sheet, then it will be distributed in old partners in old ratio. And what will be the general entry? Same, old partners capital account debit to goodwill account and in old ratio. As I already told you at the time of admission, that old partners never include new partner. But at the time of retirement, retiring partner is considered as an old partner. So whenever you distribute any things in old ratio, you have to consider retiring partner as a old partner. So this is all about the treatment of goodwill. Thank you so much.